Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple registration form like this one. As you can see, it has the first name, last name, email, select a country and the register button. So I'm going to show you how to do it easily without having to use any framework or library to get it done. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we are going to do, I have it done already, so I'm just going to clear this off and redo it again. So let me remove this and down here too, and also remove the style also. So now I have my link CSS to it. I've linked my CSS to it. Then this title form, I just named it form, and I have my body. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a container. I'll just say dot container. So inside this container, I'm going to add form. So I'll just say form. So from there, I'm going to create inputs. So I'm going to have like 3 inputs. So I'll say inputs times 3. So let me just put this down here. So I'm going to change this to first name and text. Okay, this one is correct. Text, last name. Okay, I'm just going to change this one to email. Then I'm going to add a placeholder to each of them. So just say placeholder. So first one will be enter first name. Also, let me just copy this and change it to last name. And final one, enter email. So and the final one, which is the select. So you're just going to click select, say option, let's say option times 4. So just create 4 options. So first one will be select a country. Next one should be Nigeria, Ghana, and the last one should be USA. So let's check what we have now. Okay, we have this enter first name, last name. Okay, the final one should be, let's add the button to it. So just say button and register. So I think we're done with the HTML part of this video. So the next step is to move to the CSS. So first off, I'm going to give it a default styling of to remove the browser settings of margin 0 and padding also 0. So and font family, a default font family. I love using Arial, so I'll just give it Arial. So from there, I'm going to move next to the body, which is so I'm going to start the body and say body background color should be black. Okay, let me say hashtag 010101. Yep. So here we have it. We have this already. Then I'm going to come down to the class dot container class. So in this container class, I'm just going to say display flex and align items, center, justify content, center. So From there, after that, okay, the next step is to style the form. So the form, I'll just say form, just with a style of width should be 400 pixel, height 300 pixel, background color white. So let's see that. Yeah, we have that. So I also forgot something. Let's give this thing like a title. So yeah, we'll just say something like H1, say registration form. Okay, now we have that settled. So border radius, let's give it 5 pixel, and okay, yeah, sculpt it to be then margin top, let's say 180 pixel. Okay, that is settled. Now the next step is to say form, and to start the input. So input, we are going to say width of 95 pixel, 95%, sorry. Okay, we are meant to give this form a padding of 10 pixel. Okay, yep, let me increase it to 15. Okay, 15 is okay. Then now inside the input, we are going to add a padding also, padding of 8 pixel, and margin top also. Let's check the padding. Okay, margin top of 8 pixels. Okay, let me just do 10. So yeah, that should do it. Then let's give this also a border radius of 5 pixel, and border should be 1 pixel solid. I should say black. Yep, that's that. So now the next thing we are going to style is the select. So just say form. Okay, before that, let me style this registration form text here, this H1 text. So to do that, I'll just do what I just want to do is to place it to the center. So I'll just say form H1, say extra line center. So from, and I'll say select with 100%. Padding should also be 8 pixel. 8 pixel, and margin top 10 pixels also. 10 pixel. Okay, let me give it a border too. Let me just copy this and put it in the select box. So we have that, and the border radius also of 5 pixel. So there we have it. Now the final one which we are going to style is the button, which is down here. So to do that, you just come down here and say form button. So from there you just say display flex, align items, center, justify content, center, and let me just say width 100%. Okay, padding 10 pixel, margin top 5 pixel. Let me increase it to 8 pixel. Background color black and color to white. Let me say border. Let me also remove the border because button used to come with a default border, but I'm going to remove it for this one. So for this button, so border should be none, and the border radius of, let me say 5 pixels too. So that's that. So I think we are good. Let's check. You can see it's also responsive on mobile already. But I also want to do something that when you click it here, it should give like a different color instead of this normal black color when you click on any input. So to do that, you just say from input, and when you say the focus, so then say outline none, and border should be 1 pixel solid, sky blue. Let me give it sky blue. So as you can see, when you click on it, okay, it's not vivid enough. Let me just change it to 2 pixels then. So yeah, that's okay. It's much more vivid to me now. So last part, I want it to be a smooth transition. So let me add a transition to it. Transition 500 milliseconds is, so when you refresh now, when you try to click each of it, okay, it's not working yet. Let me refresh again. So why is it not working? Oh, I said transform instead of transition. So yeah, that should work now. As you can see, when you click on it, it slowly turns in. So that's how to create a very basic form with and responsive form with HTML and CSS. As you can see, I didn't add any other framework like Tailwind or Bootstrap, just pure HTML and CSS. I really hope this video was helpful. If you enjoy it, please like, share and subscribe, and invite more people to watch videos on my channel. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.